Battery-operated hand warmers use electrically resistive heating devices to convert electrical energy into the battery. Typically, hand warmers can heat for up to 6 hours, with heat output from 40 to 48 centigrade. These hand warmers are rechargeable. You can use them over and over again. And also the most important feature of these hand warmers is portable. So you can use anywhere and any place. Now discuss different types of hand warmer. 1. Zippo rechargeable hand warmer. Zippo rechargeable hand warmers keep you warm from the office to the woods. The convenient power bank feature recharges your USB compatible device so you can stay connected while enjoying the outdoors. The rechargeable hand warmers easily fit in and out of pockets, provide plenty of heat to keep your hands warmer in cold weather, and lets you adjust the heat duration and level to your needs. Recharge the hand warmer via the including charging cable. Great to use for gaming outdoors, sporting events, indoor office and other cold weather usage occasions. Lithium-ion battery for lasting reliable warmth up to 6 hour runtime, and dual-sided heat up 120 Fahrenheit to 50 centigrade operating temperature with 5 heat setting for adjustable and comfortable warmth. The battery charge indicator with the light. 2. Ocopa hand warmers made of high-tech aircraft grade aluminum and ABS plastic. Your Ocopa hand warmer is smoothly and durable. This hand warmer is include 18 seconds just right for your palm. You can feel it's lighter than your phone. Press and hold the switch button for 5 seconds and the heat is instantly releasing. 3 levels of heat up to your choice. You can always find your own comfortable heat level. It optimizes circuit to ensure safe use for long time. 5200 mAh lithium rechargeable battery with USB-C charging port ensure a long charging time. It can also be used as a power bank to charge your electronic devices at any time. It is a must-have to spend a cold winter, especially for revenuers, arthritis sufferers to heat therapy needs. No more fumbling around or sweating under your breath when you have trouble plugging in. A hand warmer includes USB charging cable and USB-C converter with portable pouch. You can also see its flashing red and blue lights when it's about to running out of battery. The hand warmer can work continuously for 4 to 8 hours, which varies according to the environment temperature and heating level. 3. Jomt 7800 hand warmer adopts 7800 mAh capacity power battery to give a full charge to most digital devices multiple times. The long-lasting heat up to 12 hours. It includes 3-second fast heating, double-sided and 3 levels of temperature heating warms your both hands. Fast heating up in 3 seconds. Battery and heat indicator light will show you the selected heat setting and battery remaining. Handy carrying anywhere with any pocket or bag while sporting, fishing, hiking, camping, and a perfect hand warmer solution in cold weather. It is certified with CE FCCC, made of high-tech aircraft grade aluminum and ABS material. It is eco-friendly polymer battery. As the capacity of the battery increases, the power indicator LED to a 1 to 3 rise. You can insert the DC 5V power supply. The system automatically open the charging function and the current capacity. 4. Safari rechargeable hand warmer. These hand warmers built-in 2 temperature sensors with smart chip control monitoring the temperature of inside wire on both sides, along with UL, FCC and CE identified international battery protection plate. With newest independent temperature indicator lights help you charge in time or adjust to your preferable temperature. The independent charging indicator allows you to more directly understand the power status of the product and charge it in time. The 3 adjustable temperature mode: low temperature as a blue light, medium temperature represent as green light and high temperature represent as red light. Spherical rechargeable hand warmers with the silicone oil finish on the surface, unlike cold metal surface, has a silky and warm touch made of advanced aircraft. Besides warming hands, can also work as a backup battery for your phone. Charge in 2 to 3 hours ensure the long-lasting heat up to 8 hours. Unlike ordinary hand heaters which cannot warm up each surface fully, spherical hand warmers with newly internal design can heat up your palm evenly and fully. If you suffer from cold hands, in the upcoming winter, just take it anywhere with you. You can feel fearless outside when fishing, hiking, camping,